Okay, so this is the hat that's going to go around the thing. That's the template we used. This is the feet. You need 2 of this for each little pinecone person. And then here's the mittens, and you need 2, obviously, for the hands. And then here's the scarves. And the way you cut them is you do a thin line and then kind of branch it out so it kind of looks like a broom. And then cut little fringes, so the fat part's gonna hang, but this goes around the neck. This is what you need for one elf. This. Okay, I'm gonna start with the head, because that's the easiest part. Okay, now since we have really long pine cones, we're gonna cut it down. We gotta take the bottom off of it with some garden shears so that it kind of has a flatter bottom. And then however tall you want your little pine cone body to be, you kind of gotta cut in there, inside these. Oops. So now you have a place for the head to sit, and it'll sit more flat on the feet because you've cut the bottom. Thumbs up.
So there's one more Christmas craft for the 12 days of Christmas. Kind of got a little bit of both in here. Got projects for the shop and projects for the home. You know, if you got some little kids that just like to use the hot glue gun, or crafts inside. So hope it's something that you can use and next year for either a Christmas tree ornament or something like that. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, start some comments down below on your Christmas ornaments or favorite Christmas crafts. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.